Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about PayPal and specifically about email address that you use for PayPal, because I had so many questions from people asking if they could use a personal email address such as Gmail, Yahoo, AOL and so on when taking payments, when collecting payments, because obviously they are already using this PayPal account for payments, and theoretically they can accept payments on this email address. So this is a good place to start. However, I do encourage you to open a new business account, new PayPal business account, and connect your professional business address, professional business email address, because such as if your store has got a custom domain, you can buy a professional matching email address from G Suite. So the URL is in the description. And why is that important? Because when someone goes to the checkout, they see your email address at the very top when they leave their payment details. And if they see your personal email address that is completely different from the store, even if you use Gmail and matching email address and matching email address for your store, it still looks very, very unprofessional and just looks that maybe they're being redirected. It creates a trust issue. So I definitely don't recommend going this way. It's a temporary fix at the beginning before you set up a professional email address and open business PayPal account. But do not continue doing it for longer than few days, few weeks. Do not think that this is a viable solution, because you will have a lot of abandoned checkouts, abandoned carts. People will lose trust in you, which is not something you want to do if you want to build viable business. So it is not a costly thing. Professional email address costs as little as $5 per month from G Suite. Business PayPal business account is free, obviously, and is as easy to set up as personal business account. You just need to personal account. You just need to confirm a little bit more details, your address and your business details. So if you have found these tips useful, please like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on e-commerce, more tips on conversion, more tips on SEO, more tips on how to live a good life, I suppose. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.